Hi, Kylie from Coastal Caravans here again. I am keen as mustard to show you our Jayco Expander. I personally love Jayco Expanders. Johnny and I have had one with our, back then, 3 kids. Probably should have stopped there, but I didn't. But anyway, I'm keen as mustard to show you. Come and have a look. So we've got the flies here. They are integral in my opinion when you have anything with pop-out beds. They're really great in summer. They can just help reduce the temperature when you're in bed. Equally just as good of the evenings to avoid all the condensation. Come on through. We've got a near new awning, 4 new tyres. This van's been freshly, newly serviced. So whether you've got a family of 4, whether you've got a family of 6 or even 8, this is the van for you. It sleeps so many. It literally feels like a house on wheels, and that's the benefit, that's the real benefit with an expander. When you expand it out, the 17 foot becomes a huge length. So we've got the double bed, a really generous spaced cafe dinette here. So the table drops, you could easily fit 1 to 2 children on that bed as well. Okay, this is one of my favourite features about the Expander. I love the L-shaped kitchen. It's the best use of space in a kitchen, I find, in a caravan setup. So we've got the recessed stovetop with 3 gas, 1 electric. There's an abundance of drawers, heaps and heaps of storage, reverse cycle air conditioning, the Dometic fridge, microwave. Come around here. So we've got another huge size queen to double bed there. And then we've got the double bunks here on the right. Now again, if you don't need to utilise the double bunks, you can just leave it as the cafe dinette. This is a brilliant caravan. You don't need an American truck to tow it. So its tear weight is 1,600 kilos, and then fully loaded, it's only 2.1 tonnes. So most cars are going to be able to tow this. Keep in mind as well, being a pop top, it's really light to tow. There's just an abundance of natural light all through this van. I love them. I've personally travelled Australia in a pop top years and years ago, loved it.